Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use advertisement voices for your adverts. So the first thing you have to do is to go to 11labs.io web page and click on the drop down menu on the sidebar and choose the voices section here. Then you will be brought to a page like this. All you have to do is choose the library option, and then you would see all of these various categories. Then all you have to do is to choose the advertisement section, which is this. And then once you choose the advertisements option, you would see all the voices that can be used for your different ads.
It doesn't matter if they think you can do it or not.
So this is, you can sample them by clicking on the play button just beside their names.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy.
So this is how to choose or select a specific voice for your ads. If this video has been helpful to you, please leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much and do have a great day.